the bank gave us a check for $20,000. So we have $0 in this property and we're making $1,000. Hey guys, Dave Hathaway Property Management. I wanted to share with you guys the story of how you can create infinite returns with real estate by using one of our properties as an example. Right here, this one on the corner. I'm in Baltimore City, and we purchased this property back in 2018 for $75,000. And then we put $65,000 in to renovate it. So we were all in was $140,000. We rented each one of these units. This is a 3-unit building. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath in each unit. Rented each for about $1,000 a unit for a total of $3,000 a month. After we got it rented or leased up, 5 months later, we went back to the bank and we asked to pull our money back out. We'd actually paid cash for the renovation. Some people use hard money, but we did our own cash from different deals. Went back to the bank. The bank sent out a third-party appraiser. Appraiser came out and they valued this property at $225,000 5 months later after we purchased the building. They gave us a loan for $160,000 at that point. So we actually got a check right back to us for $20,000. So again, our all-in cost was $140,000. The bank gave us a loan for $160,000, and now we have a check for $20,000 that comes right back to us. Now, in addition, our loan payment for a 30-year fix was about $1,100, and our expenses on the property over time have been about $900, and that's paying for water and public service utilities. That's paying for snow removal, for lawn service. That's paying for general maintenance on the building that comes up. So we pay about $900 a month for general expenses. Then for our mortgage payment, which includes property taxes, insurance that we pay to the bank, is about $1,150. We're somewhere around $2,000 per month in our expenses, and we make $3,000 a month when the property is fully occupied. So we make $1,000 a month. And this starts to show you the power of real estate, the power of leverage. And again, we don't have any money in this property. The bank gave us a check for $20,000. So we have $0 in this property and we're making $1,000, roughly $1,000 a month when it's fully occupied. Now it gets even sweeter. A year down the road from that other refinance, so about 15 months from when we first purchased the property, we went back to a second bank. Interest rates had gone down. They'd gone down to in the 4s, and we wanted to lower our monthly payment. Went to a second bank. Second bank sent out an appraiser. The appraiser came out and he said, your property's worth $275,000. Mind you, we're still collecting $1,000 every month, and we still have that check of $20,000 in our pocket. So they said, your property's worth $275,000 now, and we'll give you a loan of 75% of the value, 75 LTV, which is $206,000. So they gave us a 30-year fixed at 4.5% for $206,000. So we got another check from the bank, another $45,000. So the amazing thing is the loan payment didn't go up. We got an extra $40,000 to put into more of these properties down the road, and we didn't have a taxable event. So when you're flipping properties, each time you sell a property, you have a taxable event. You either have to use a 1031 to put that money into a new property to not pay taxes, or you have to pay taxes on the entire gain. So if you make, for instance, $65,000, you have to pay taxes on that $65,000. In this scenario, you don't pay taxes on that $65,000 that you're pulling out from the bank, the bank's giving you. That's why it's so powerful. That's why the BRRRR method, buy, renovate, refinance, repeat, is so powerful. You don't get hit with a taxable event. You can get cash flow. You can get a check from the bank, so you can pull out your equity. That's why it's just so powerful. And that's why you can get infinite returns in real estate, just like this one, as long as you purchase this. if you like this content, I'd love it if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll continue showing you how you can do exactly the same thing we've done over and over and over and make a cash flow machine. I'll see you on the next video.